Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. It's a TGIF, folks, and we are kicking into November. It's a beautiful thing. I got my man, Mr. Chris Crawford, beside me from Fairway Independent Mortgage. As soon as I do this update, we are going to talk mortgages, we're going to talk money, we're going to talk interest rates. You're going to give us an education.
That I am.
It's a beautiful thing. Always do your best. Take action on your ideas. Doing your best means to take action on your ideas. You can have many ideas in your head, but without action upon an idea, there'll be no manifestation, no results, and no reward. Isn't that a good card, man?
It is.
We all have great ideas, man.
Got to take action.
Got to take action. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials down 175, NASDAQ off 94, S&P's down 21, gold contract down $4.50, trading at $12.33 an ounce. Silver down 1 penny, $14.76 an ounce. Light sweet crude flat, no, down 62 cents, $63, 8 cents a barrel. Oil, energy, it's going to be cheaper. Big time. It's a beautiful thing. Notes and bonds. 10-year note down 17 ticks, 118.01. 30-year bond down a point and a half, 137.04. And King Dollar up 234 ticks, trading 96.315. The euro is at 113.89 to 1 U.S. dollar. The yen is trading at 113.25 to 1 U.S. dollar. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? Okay, so you're down 230 and the S&P. Your bottom line is that we came down with big volume. You're going up with light volume. I expect what you're going to see here, folks. Yeah, the market gave it up a bit. This market looks to me like it wants to get a bit higher. We're 271. I figure we're going to get to 277. You can see, what I do expect we're going to see out here also is that you had the first... We had the first buy come in the market just about 2 o'clock. And they'll basically try to run this thing up a little bit more. What I do expect you're going to see is you're going to see a little bit higher price and then give it up in spade next week. It looks like it's developing a B to a C of an ABC structure on the way down. Now, the note and bond market, particularly because we're going to be talking money with Chris, this is quite a move. Bottom line, the 10-year just went down 18 ticks. We get 2.1 million contracts traded. Now, we're going against 2.9. So that's all right in that basis. But, man, they are basically hammering that. And now we got our 10-year out here at 3.2 today. And 3.23 is the high for the last year.
Right.
You know, so that's some serious business, man. No doubt about it. So let's talk, everyone likes to buy a house.
They do.
Yeah. Everyone always needs money to buy a house. It's a signature business, right?
Real estate, yeah, it's a hot market. People are wanting to buy investment properties, their new home, they want to upgrade. Even people out there that are doing property flips, there's a lot of equity in the market, so it's a hot topic right now.
Right. Okay, so let's start. So you work for Fairway Independent Mortgage, right?
I do, yes, sir.
And how long have you been in the mortgage business?
I've been in the mortgage industry about 7 years.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So did you like it?
I love it. Yeah, it's great. I kind of capitalized on a refi market for a long time, and now predominantly do purchases, a little bit of refi here and there still, but
yeah.
The market's mostly people trying to buy houses and change their living style. So yeah.
Right. So when we go to get a mortgage, right? What is the most? So for everyone that's listening out there, what is the most important deal? Having your documents ready to come in and see you and get a mortgage.
Yes. So the process is pretty simple. I mean, you're being marketed to on a mass level by many different entities, Quicken, Rocket Mortgage. People are pushing a very digitized process now.
Sure.
So, what I tell people is that, use a local lender, like myself or someone of that nature that's in your community that understands the appraisal values, who can help the behind the scenes process of the mortgage be a lot smoother. So for me, I try to make it easy for my clients to email, documentation to me, which
Right.
we want to talk about a little bit, or you can do it digitally through our online portal, and you can send your pay stubs, W-2s, bank statements, which we can get into here
Yes.
in regards to what type of loan you're looking for.
Right. So let's talk a conventional loan first, right? So conventional loans normally 30-year loan, right? Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, you can sell the paper, right? Would that be correct?
Exactly. Yes.
Okay.
Sir. Yep.
So when someone's coming in for that, do they need 3 months of bank statements, 6 months of bank statements? How does it normally work?
Well, typically it's I'd like to tell people 2, 2, and 2. 2 months of bank statements, 2 pay stubs, and 2 years of W-2s.
Okay.
That should give us enough information to determine what your income is
Right.
For the last few years, and then also what your assets look like for your down payment and cash to close.
Right. Because so then we get to the credit quality, right?
Yeah.
So on a conventional loan, what type of credit quality people need, like score-wise?
Yeah, so that's a very good question. So typically Freddie and Fannie, they flatline around 620 with myself, and that's pretty much any investor that does direct with Freddie and Freddie
That's
Mac,
pretty good,
Fannie
man.
Mae. Yeah.
I mean, that's
Yeah. Yeah, so as long as you don't have any, pre-existing lates, things like that, which most people don't. Even if you do, there's some other options on the back end that we can help out on. But the Freddie Fannie option, 620 or higher. The higher your credit score, the better your interest rate will be, so you can capitalize on an increasing rate, market that we're dealing with.
Okay, so when paper gets sold to Fannie or Freddie, right? So of course they have guidelines, right?
That's correct.
So let's say if you get a 650, but then if you had a 750, you're going to get a better rate at 750?
You will, yes, sir.
Oh, interesting. Okay.
Yeah,
Right.
yeah. A lot of things go into calculating what your interest rate will be, your credit score, your down payment, and what type of property is it going to be used for,
Okay.
investment, second home / vacation, or your
Right.
primary residence.
Right. So the aspect of what are the self-employment? I know that's always a big deal if you're self-employment, right?
It is, yeah.
A lot harder to do?
It depends on the professional you're dealing with.
Okay.
With myself, we have a team of people that are able to do, a calculation on your income taxes. So we can take a look at what your returns are showing, use a systematic algorithm that helps us better understand exactly what your income will be, depending on what your write-offs may be
Right.
with your Schedule A, Schedule C, Schedule E, depending on where those income streams are coming from. We can utilize that and add to, if you are a business owner or even W-2 and maybe have some online trading profit or things like that, you can utilize that to increase your debt to income ratio, which will help you acquire maybe more properties or newer ones.
Nice.
So yeah.
Stay right there, folks. Chris and I are coming right back. Chris's phone number, folks, is 727-518-4355. That's 727-518-4355. We're going to be coming right back, folks.